Hello guys, this is my own version of peppered gizzard. Now if you're a gizzard lover, this is a must try for you. You start off by cooking the gizzard and then proceed to fry it. If you don't want to fry in hot oil, please just dry it in the oven or in your air fryer, okay? Now take off the fried gizzard and then transfer it into a pan and add very little oil. Go in with onions, garlic, your peppers, all your spices. Please check the caption for the spices and seasonings I use to achieve this, okay? Now give it a good mix and then go in with your fresh peppers. Add as much pepper as you want, okay? It depends on your preference, okay? And then cover it and allow this to cook for like 10 minutes and you have a very nice peppered gizzard. You can then proceed to garnish with some spring onions and serve with any other accompanying dish of choice. So tell me, will you try this one? Do you like it? Please let me know in the comment section as usual. Thanks for watching. Bye.